Hey folks, what's up? So I know I have come after a long time, but now let's talk about the work. So do you have a corrupted SD card and you thought it's now of no use and you threw it away? So you did it wrong actually. So you can fix that in a very easy way, and if you have a PC you can do this. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Ujjwal, and in this video I'll be telling you how to recover your dead SD card without formatting it. So there is also a version that you have to wipe because it's fully corrupted and there is no other option for fixing it. So that one I will be telling you in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's fix the dead SD card. So let's get into the PC. So guys, I'm back here in my laptop and let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to drag your cursor here and right click on it, and here you can see command prompt admin, or you can just simply use this one. So go default by the command prompt admin. So click on it and this window will appear and click yes, and here you are in your command prompt. So basically this is a chkdsk command. That means it will check errors in your SD card and it will fix it without formatting it. So let's do this. So first of all, I forgot to tell you, first of all you have to know your SD card drive letter. So this is my SD card, okay, and its drive letter is, as you can see, M. So let's use this drive letter. So let's go back into command prompt, and here what you have to do is you have to type chkdsk. So you have to type in short, that means in a code format. So the code is Chkdsk, okay, then space, then the drive letter. So our drive letter was M, and this one, and space and /f. So it will check errors now. So I don't have any errors in my SD card, so it will not take too much time. So if you have a corrupted one, it will take maybe 3 to 5 minutes, so don't worry about that, it will fix it. So let's get started. So hit enter after writing this command chkdsk space m and column and space and /f. So hit enter. So Windows, here the result has come that Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems. Because I have no problem, you have a corrupted SD card, so it will find the problem and it will just fix in 3 to 5 minutes. So that's it, your SD card is fixed. So another tutorial, in another video, I'll be telling you how to fix your SD card with complete format, because it's not recoverable. So stay tuned. So this was it. So guys, I hope you have understood, and if you got help, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Also hit like and do comments if you have any problem. So see you in the next video.